Looking for the top 10 best electric brush options that actually deliver results? You're in the right place. I tested and researched the most popular electric brushes on Amazon to save you time and money. Whether you want deep cleaning, smart features, or budget value, this list has something for everyone. Let's dive in. But before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to know the latest prices, discounts, and detailed product information. All the products featured in this video are carefully selected based on quality, usability, and real customer reviews on Amazon. Aquasonic Black Series. The Aquasonic Black Series is one of the most powerful electric brushes you can buy at an affordable price. It features a strong sonic motor delivering up to 40,000 vibrations per minute, making plaque removal fast and effective. I love its sleek design and long battery life, which can last up to 4 weeks on a single charge. This electric brush includes multiple brushing modes, perfect for sensitive teeth or deep cleaning. It's also water resistant, making it ideal for daily use. If you're searching for a premium feel without a premium price, Aquasonic Black Series is an excellent choice for beginners and tech lovers alike. Philips Sonicare 4100. The Philips Sonicare 4100 is a trusted name when it comes to electric brushes. It uses advanced sonic technology to gently yet effectively clean teeth and gums. One feature I really like is the pressure sensor, which protects your gums by reducing vibration when you brush too hard. The slim, lightweight handle feels comfortable even during longer brushing sessions. With a built-in 2-minute timer and 30-second pacer, this electric brush ensures proper cleaning every time. It's a great option for users who want reliability, brand trust, and professional-level oral care at home. Oral-B Pro 1000. The Oral-B Pro 1000 stands out thanks to its dentist-inspired round brush head. This electric brush offers powerful oscillating and pulsating movements that remove more plaque than manual brushing. I like how simple yet effective it is. No unnecessary features, just solid performance. It includes a pressure control system to protect your gums and a built-in timer for optimal brushing. If you prefer a deep clean and proven performance, this is a great pick. The Oral-B Pro 1000 is especially popular among fitness fans who value efficiency and results. Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5300. The Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5300 is a premium electric brush designed for users who want smart features. It comes with multiple brushing modes and intensity levels, making it suitable for sensitive gums or whitening needs. The smart pressure sensor and brush sync technology remind you when to replace the brush head. I really appreciate how quiet and smooth it feels during use. This electric brush delivers professional-level cleaning while being gentle on teeth. If you want a smart, modern brushing experience, this model is a strong contender. Quip Sonic Brush. The Quip Sonic Brush focuses on gentle sonic vibrations rather than aggressive cleaning, making it ideal for sensitive teeth. It's lightweight, travel-friendly, and runs on a replaceable battery instead of charging. I also like Quip's subscription service that delivers fresh brush heads right to your door. While it may not be the most powerful electric brush, it's stylish, practical, and great for daily use, especially for beginners and busy users. SURI Sonic Toothbrush. The SURI Sonic Toothbrush combines performance with eco-friendly design. This electric brush uses sonic technology to provide deep cleaning while being gentle on enamel. What makes SURI unique is its sustainable build and UV cleaning travel case. I love how modern and premium it feels in hand. The battery life is impressive and the brush is easy to maintain. If you're someone who cares about sustainability without compromising on quality, SURI is an excellent electric brush choice. Waterpik Sensonic. The Waterpik Sensonic electric brush is known for its ultra-soft bristles and gentle cleaning power. It's especially great for people with sensitive gums or dental work. This brush delivers high-speed vibrations while remaining comfortable and quiet. I also like the slim handle and strong battery life. Waterpik is already trusted for oral care products, and this model lives up to the brand name. It's a smart choice if comfort and gum health are your top priorities. Aquasonic Duo Pro. The Aquasonic Duo Pro, perfect for couples or families since it includes 2 electric brushes in one package. Each brush offers multiple modes and strong sonic performance. I find this to be great value for money, especially if you're upgrading from manual brushes together. The battery lasts long and the design is sleek and modern. If you want performance plus savings, Aquasonic Duo Pro is a smart Amazon pick. Fairywill Sonic Electric Brush. The Fairywill Sonic Electric Brush is a powerful and affordable option for anyone looking to upgrade their daily oral oral care routine. It uses advanced sonic technology that delivers high-frequency vibrations to remove plaque effectively while remaining gentle on teeth and gums. I really like its multiple brushing modes, which make it suitable for sensitive teeth, whitening, and deep cleaning. The slim and lightweight design feels comfortable in hand and is perfect for travel. One standout feature is its long-lasting battery life, which can run for weeks on a single charge. The built-in timer ensures you brush for the dentist-recommended 2 minutes every time. If you want a reliable, modern electric toothbrush without spending too much, the Fairywill Sonic Electric Brush is a smart and popular choice on Amazon.
BTIVE Electronic Brush. BTIVE Electronic Brush is a modern and powerful cleaning tool designed to make everyday cleaning faster and easier. Equipped with a high-speed motor and strong vibration technology, it effectively removes stubborn dirt, grease, and stains from various surfaces. This electronic brush is ideal for cleaning bathrooms, kitchens, tiles, sinks, bathtubs, stovetops, and other hard-to-reach areas. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, allowing extended use without hand fatigue. The brush features a USB rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements and offering long-lasting performance on a single charge. Lightweight and compact in design, the BTIVE electronic brush is easy to store and convenient to carry. Whether for daily household cleaning or deep scrubbing tasks, this electronic brush delivers efficient results with minimal effort, making it a smart and reliable choice for maintaining a clean and hygienic home environment. Before we wrap up, make sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more top product reviews. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out.